we really in DC, bro. Union Station, bro.
Life is like a token. See what happens if it's broken. Yeah, now it has no value. I'ma hide my scars with a tattoo.
But yo, we in Washington, DC, bro. Holy shit, Union Station with a bike though. Ooh. Bro, the memories here, bro. I love DC, I'm not gonna lie. DC is fucking fire, bro. The memories in this bitch, bro. I was fucking homeless in this station, bro, one day. Shit fire, bro. Bro, Union Station really so beautiful though, bro. Look at this shit. Bro, the memories I have here are crazy, bro. I'm so happy to be here again. This is my second time ever, bro. First time with a bike, but dude, I'm so hyped right now. I could literally cry, bro. Let's go. And what happened to this dude, bro? Hold up, though. Hold on, let's see if we get our first pop of that day, bro, in DC. Yo, this is so fucking cool, bro. Oh my god, I've missed it. I've missed this place, bro. Holy shit. And I'm here with my bike and shit, bro. Like, dude, come on, bro. What more could you ask for, bro? Oh, look, one hand. Ooh. Dude, this place brings so much memories. It makes me so happy. I love this place. It's like 8 a.m. RiDEOUT's at 1. I could go and explore and shit. Probably gonna do that. Dude, that shit is crazy though. We're really here though, bro. Let's go see if we get some bitches, bro. Let's go see if we find some bitches real quick, bro. Hold up. Yes, sir. Let me put on for New York real quick, bro. Let me put on for New York. Let me show y'all how we get down. Is that a cop? What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Look, y'all want to see a one hand though? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Oh shit. I got so good at that. Look, I still didn't drop though. Shit. Bro, we're really here with the fucking C100, bro. We about to go crazy, bro, honestly. Dude, I'm so hyped to be here, bro. Oh my god. Bro, we about to go crazy, bro. Bro, once we hit this ride out, bro, oh yeah, it's over.
We be trying to chill. Niggas don't be trying to be in the house all day.